Let's go camping, y'all. I'm ready. All right, y'all. Today is a special day. I'm heading out for my very first solo camping trip, and I'm bringing you along with me. Right now, I'm on my way to Anastasia State Park, just enjoying the drive and taking it all in. Sometimes we don't realize how much we need to step away until we actually make the decision to just go. And today, that's exactly what I'm doing. Just taking a little time to breathe, to reflect, and to enjoy the moment. Just the drive alone already feels like a reset. Now, this park is over 1,600 acres of protected land right near Saint Augustine. On one side, there are salt marshes and tidal creeks full of life, and just beyond that, the Atlantic Ocean. The miles of untouched beach. The moment you turn into the park, everything starts to change. The road gets quieter, the air feels lighter, and the trees just seem to welcome you in. Look at this, tall pines, thick oaks, and sunlight breaking through the branches. It almost feels like you're driving through a tunnel of nature. All right, y'all, I think I'm getting close to my campsite. You can start to see them tucked in between the trees, nice and shaded, really peaceful. And this is going to be home for the next couple of nights. I'm excited, a little nervous, well, a lot nervous, but mostly just grateful to be here. Sometimes all we need is a moment like this to step away and remember what really matters. All right, let's get parked and start this adventure, y'all. Guys, getting my camping stuff. I got my tent set up almost. Hi. Okay, y'all, I got the fire started and I have food. Go. You guys, I gotta get my car in order. I know you can't see it very well, but yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be organizing so much stuff because this ain't it. My sleeping bag, I think, is okay. I think I'll be able to sleep well, but it just feels so cluttered and I can't stand it. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I will be hiking early in the morning, and then I'll come back and rearrange this car because it is a mess. Well, day one, almost complete. Good night, you guys. Good morning. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's cold and I have to use the restroom really bad. I can't. Oh Lord. What am I doing? I don't know where the camera is. Oh my God, you guys. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. I know, I'm gonna go take a shower, but this is how I can't. Oh gosh, I can't. Ooh, smells like smoke. Campfire smoke. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am trying to put this shirt on because I need to go to the bathroom and take a shower. But I want to make coffee first. This is so darn cold. Jeez. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Today, I definitely have to rearrange my stuff in this car because, oh my gosh. Ultimately, what I want to do is I want to be able to sit on this side when I get up, you know, and do what I need to do. But of course, sorry guys. Of course, I have that packed with stuff. But yeah, I need to make sure I clear this space. Otherwise, I'm going to be miserable because I cannot. I am like hunched over, you guys. Like, seriously. I do have a 3-inch mattress. Maybe if I don't know. Let me see. You see how I am? Now I do have my 3-inch foam, and
my tent. Oh crap. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can. Shit. It's not much better, but okay. I've got to use the bathroom. Oh, sorry. I forgot y'all was there. Okay. But, okay.
Florida Beach nesting birds. You guys, it's so beautiful out here. I'm so thankful I've been able to come out here and just enjoy this time.
house over there. Wait. You see it? Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Nice day, yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go back to the campsite and see what I can cook up. Alright, see you in a few. Sorry, y'all. Rice, y'all. Some pork chop.